Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to tag everyone in a group Facebook Messenger chat. This is super useful when you need to make sure every single member of your group sees an important announcement or message. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the group chat where you want to send your message. This could be any group conversation you're part of, whether it's a work team, family group, or friend chat. Once you have the group chat open, you'll see all the previous messages and the familiar messenger interface. Next, at the bottom of your screen, click on the text field where you normally type your messages. This is the same field you use for regular messaging, so you're probably already familiar with it. Once you click on it, your keyboard will appear and you'll be ready to start typing. Now here's the key part. To tag everyone in the group at once, simply type @everyone. That's the @ symbol followed by the word everyone with no spaces in between. When you do this, Facebook Messenger will automatically recognize it as a special tag that notifies every single member of the group chat. You'll notice that @everyone might appear highlighted or in a different color, which indicates that the tagging feature is working correctly. This ensures that everyone will receive a notification about your message, even if they have the chat muted or haven't checked Messenger in a while. After you've typed @everyone, go ahead and input your actual message. Type whatever announcement, question, or information you need to share with the entire group. You can add as much text as you need, include emojis, or even attach photos and files. The @everyone tag will remain at the beginning of your message and will still notify all members when you send it. Once you've finished typing your complete message, simply send it by clicking the send button. The message will be delivered to the group chat and every member will receive a notification that they've been tagged. This is particularly helpful for urgent updates or when you need guaranteed visibility from everyone in the group. And that's it. You've successfully tagged everyone in your Facebook Messenger group chat, ensuring that your important message reaches all members. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.